Organic butter. It's organic. Got a special assistant here today. I'm actually really excited. See, there's little cacti over there.
We are going to attempt to make a cake, kind of maybe a little bit not even like this, but just something close, please.
I can't wait to see how this cake turns out. We're here today, we're gonna make a cake, because I don't know how. We have Azya, a professional cake maker.
Okay, maybe I shouldn't say professional, but she is really, really, really ridiculously good at it.
A,
C.
oh, you're doing great.
Y.
All right, let's put on our aprons. Here you go.
Thank you.
Here you go. I think maybe we need to switch.
Yay.
I think it's the same.
All right. Do you have a measuring cup?
Yes, I know what that is.
Do you want to break 3 eggs in there?
I do.
And that's the face you make when you just agreed to something you are not sure you're gonna do a good job at.
No shell, right?
I'm just gonna...
I have a shell in there.
That's perfect.
That's for texture. The shell was for like,
What is a cactus cake, right?
Make it a little crunch. 1 cup of water, please.
1 cup of water. Yes, I love it. I'm like the sous chef. You gotta look for the meniscus.
The meniscus?
I think that's a part of your knee.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, meniscus.
No, what's the other thing called then? It's under it, so that little circle thing on the top where you see the water. I'm gonna Google this right now because it's literally gonna make me crazy. I know what I'm talking about. It's a science thing.
All right, Google, don't fail me now. Don't fail me now. Okay, meniscus. Shit, they were right. No. Okay, maybe I need to be a little bit more specific. Meniscus, water. Yes, I knew it. Ha! Who's laughing now? I'm right. Meniscus.
Pour it in. Water and eggs.
Okay, do you want to pour this in there?
Yes, I do.
Let's grease our pan.
What do you use? Oil?
We can
Butter?
use butter. Do you have butter?
Organic butter.
Do you want to grab this flour for me?
Jerk. Did I grab this flour from?
Just get it all over the place.
Okay.
Even these like little
Crevices?
Crevices. Yep.
It's like coloring outside the lines.
It's black lines.
I know you want me. I know you want me.
Literally Robin Thicke's last song because I think he got sued for that.
He did. What song was he stealing?
Shoot, it's that old song.
I'm trying to think of the beat.
No, I know, just without the words.
What is it?
The cameraman's about to Google scourge.
Skirt. Oh,
Are you looking it up?
Yes.
Yes, shut up.
yes, I am.
We're paying you. We're not paying him.
Marvin Gaye's song, Gotta Give It Up.
Oh!
Marvin Gaye.
Got to give it up. Yeah, that's right. Sorry.
Fluffing, spread it, yeah. Flour.
Okay, flour.
Then we swish it around.
Ooh, it is
Get all the
swishy.
corners, the sides.
Okay.
Like this.
Oh, wow. Okay, so this
And
is
then
so
we
it doesn't
dump the
stick?
excess. Yep.
Okay.
The oven's ready.
It's
Okay.
all prepped.
Okay.
Now. Some of those
The air bubbles
air
out.
bubbles out.
Okay.
That's ready to go.
Okay.
Pop it in. Great. And now we wait.
So this is fondant right here. She bought it straight from the cake store.
Fondant is hard.
Fondant is hard, literally and figuratively. We started with white. She also bought food dye. Okay, so we got terra-cotta, which is this color, and cypress, which is this color, to make the cacti.
So,
This fondant.
and it's always good to start with a little bit, and then you can always
Always
just
add.
add more. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna wash my hands.
I feel like I should do that too. All right, yeah, I'm happy with this color.
I'm also happy with that color.
All right, so we got
This one. This one.
Yay!
nice. Okay. Cool. All right, we're gonna work on these cacti fondant pieces to go around the cake. Hopefully, they look like cacti.
Total confidence.
Awesome. Let's do this. Asia's doing
Toothpicking? Tell me that's not looking like a cactus. It does. It totally does. It makes me so happy.
That cactus. Got this one. That one. We got the first layer of the cake right here. You gotta try the cake. That's like an essential part of this.
It really is.
What did you do right here?
I just took a little bit off the top, put some of this strawberry filling in it.
This looks bomb. I don't even care if
I
it
could
tastes
even
good.
just eat it like this.
Yeah. We got 1 strawberry filling, 2.
It's ready to be frosted.
Is it? So you frost it before?
Frost it before so the fondant can stick to it.
You still frost even though you're doing fondant. Okay. Frost. Okay.
I have absolutely no clue what I'm doing.
Frost first.
Just fill in all the gaps. Oh my god. There's no such thing as too much frosting.
So we're just gonna stick this in the fridge.
So you let it cool still? Okay.
Right here.
Roll out the fondant. Lay the fondant over the iced cake.
I'm just gonna go around and
Help!
slowly take the back of my hand and pull and secure. Keep pulling so it comes out even.
Yo.
Yeah. Wow. What do you do with extra fondant?
You can save it and use it for next time.
How long is it good for?
It's probably like a Twinkie.
So fondant's not good for you. The worst is over?
The worst is over.
We cover the spots
Cover the
that we low-key fucked up. All our different options. I like the way the terracotta came out.
Right?
Oh, that's great.
Okay, and we'll find another area like this one. The bottom part here.
Water is the adhesive.
Then we're just gonna fill with like little cake crumbles for some dirt, maybe. We gotta put your succulent too. That pretty,
Oh god, I hope it turns out. I don't know.
that pretty little succulent.
If it doesn't suck.
Should we do it on the top then, maybe?
I don't know. I don't want it to be
I
on the
think-
top if it's not that great.
I think it's gonna be more stable on the top, to be honest.
Okay, okay, let's do that.
So let's put it like on the side right here. And we'll just build it. These petals,
Some of them are cracking,
they're perfect.
like my skin. Hopefully it turns out.
These are perfect.
Good. Oh, that looks cool.
This looks really cool.
Yeah.
Yes.
Pushing it together. Final petal on top.
The top, I love that thing.
What if we did that?
Oh,
No way.
I love it.
Very cute.
Perfect.
Okay, one more. Like maybe on this side over here. I'll let you place it.
Yes. What do you think?
It's cute, huh?
Just really cute.
Add the crumble. It's gonna add that little extra.
To make it look real. So we put some of this frosting, the same frosting, into a Ziploc bag. Cut a little bit of the tip off. And we're gonna use it so we have more control over the icing. And we're gonna add little pieces of dirt. The dirt is cake. There's extra cake, by the way. You should eat that. Basically looks like dirt. And now we're gonna add that to this.
Crumble.
Drizzle it.
Tuck
Okay.
and adhere.
Frosting is glue.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Bam, bam, bam. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, it looks really cool.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it's cool.
Just fills in that dead space. Let me get some in this little crevice right here.
This is the finished product.
Voila.
Succulent cactus cake for our friend Christina. Stay tuned for how she reacts when she gets her cake.
Oh my goodness, this is so...
You gotta blow them all out in one.
Oh, I can do that. I spit everywhere. I'm so sorry. No, you should make this.
We both
Made it. We made it on Monday.
cacti.
It's
confirmed. 10 out of 10 would recommend. This cake is dope. And she likes it. You like it? I love it. She loves it. We did that. And she likes that. We did it. Success.
Yeehaw! Don't forget to like this video. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And
I leveled this camera to where I am. I don't think about normal people. It's my co-host,
Better?
Azya.